Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you the monthly income of BBK Vines channel from YouTube. As we have already know that BBK Vines YouTube channel is one of the best and popular channel in India. I am making this video just to make you aware of monthly income of BBK Vines channel from YouTube. First of all, let me tell you how YouTubers make money. YouTube money is completely depends on YouTube ads, but not on YouTube subscribers, YouTube likes and on YouTube comments. In YouTube there are 4 types of ads. One is pre-roll ad, mid-roll ad, overlay ad and post-roll ad. Pre-roll ad means which are displayed at the starting of the video, and mid-roll ad means which are displayed during the video, and overlay ad means which are displayed during the video. It is just like a small card only displayed in computers. And finally post-roll ad which are displayed at the end of the video. These are the 4 types of ads in YouTube. As we know, there are 2 types of videos in YouTube. One is traditional YouTube video and the other is YouTube live stream. For YouTube traditional video, all these 4 types of ads will be displayed. But for YouTube live stream video, as of now only one type of ad will be displayed, that is pre-roll ad. So we can clearly say that for normal YouTube video there will be a lot of money when compared to the YouTube live stream video. But for YouTube live stream we have a super chat option available, but according to the views, YouTube normal video will have more money when compared to the YouTube live stream video. So let's check how much money YouTube pay for 1k views in India. When compared to the foreign countries, YouTube pay less amount for 1k views in India when compared to the foreign countries like US, Australia, etc. So minimally, here in this video we are going to calculate minimum possible amount so that we can get the accurate amount. So the minimum possible amount will be for 1k views in India for normal video $0.8, which is equal to 50 rupees, and for a live stream video 1000 views for 1k views $0.3, which is equal to 20 rupees. So these can be very high, but this is the minimum amount. Let's see monthly views of BBK Vines YouTube channel. Here you can see the data here. I have taken this data from official YouTube data analysis site called socialblade.com. You can see date, subscribers, video views, everything is listed here. You can see at the bottom the number of views he is getting for the last 30 days is also present here. By using this data, let's calculate his monthly income from YouTube. As I have already shown to you that he is getting 42.283 million views for the last 30 days from YouTube. So his views will be equal to 42.2 million views. And the type of videos will be normal videos. In this channel they only upload normal videos, they don't make live streams. So income per 1k views for the for normal videos will be equal to $0.8, which is equal to 50 rupees. So let's calculate his monthly income. So his views is equal to 42.2 million views, but we know for 1 million equal to 1000k. So 42.2 million is equal to 42,200k, and the income per 1k is equal to 50 rupees. So his monthly income will be equal to 42,200 into 50 rupees, which is equal to 21,10,000 rupees. One important point you should remember is that YouTube take 45% share on YouTubers' income. For example, if you got 100 rupees from YouTube ads, YouTube take 45 rupees from that and will give you 55 rupees out of 100 rupees. After taking YouTube share, let's calculate his monthly income from YouTube. As I have already shown to you that he is getting 21,10,000 rupees from YouTube per month. But just now I have told to you that YouTube take 45% share on YouTubers' monthly income. So we have to multiply the actual amount with 0.55 in order to get the final amount. So the final amount will be equal to 11,60,500 rupees. So BBK Vines YouTube channel will get around 11.60 lakh rupees per every month from YouTube. Since we have calculated the least possible amount, he will definitely get more than this for sure. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing.